Hey, food loving friends! Today we're tackling a crucial topic in the kitchen: cross contamination. Understanding what it is and how to prevent it is essential for keeping your food safe and your meals delicious. So let's dive in. First things first, what is cross contamination? Cross contamination occurs when harmful bacteria from one food item spreads to another, typically through contact with contaminated surfaces, utensils, or hands. For example, let's say you're prepping raw chicken on a cutting board. If you then use that same cutting board to chop vegetables without properly cleaning and sanitizing it first, you risk transferring bacteria from the raw chicken to the vegetables. So, how can you prevent cross contamination in your kitchen? Here are some essential tips to follow. Number one, keep it separate. Designate separate cutting boards, utensils, and plates for raw meats, poultry, seafood, and eggs. This helps prevent bacteria from spreading to other foods. Number two, clean and sanitize. Wash your hands, cutting boards, utensils, and countertops with hot soapy water after handling raw foods. Use a sanitizer or bleach solution to disinfect surfaces regularly. Store smartly. Store raw meats, poultry, and seafood on the bottom shelf of the refrigerator to prevent drips or leaks from contaminating other foods. Keep them wrapped or in leak-proof containers. Number four, practice order. When preparing meals, follow the proper order of tasks. Start with prepping raw ingredients, then move on to ready-to-eat foods to avoid cross-contamination. Number five, be mindful. Be mindful of where you place utensils, towels, and other kitchen items. Avoid placing utensils used for raw foods on countertops or near ready to eat foods. By following these simple guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of cross contamination in your kitchen and keep your meals safe and enjoyable for everyone. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Remember, a little kitchen safety goes a long way. Happy and safe cooking! For more kitchen tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later!